Are you looking for something that'll surprise your sweet tooth? Well, then you're gonna love this Surprise Your Sweet Tooth collaboration I'm taking part of. It's all desserts that are sugar-free. This sinfully sweet collaboration is being hosted by the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. Well, I'm going to be making a very few ingredient peanut butter fudge, and it sounds awesome without sugar. Let's do it. Grab a microwavable bowl. We need a cup of sugar-free peanut butter and a cup of coconut oil, and slightly melt it in the microwave. I've got some unsweetened almond milk here. I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup inside. Use the sweetener of your choice. You can use agave, date syrup, but just make sure it's not sugar. Mix it all together. Pour that into a parchment paper lined loaf pan. Refrigerate it until set, about 2 hours. All right, it is set and all ready for chopping. Peanut butter fudge. It's a wonderful flavor. And sugar-free. What? To see more sugar-free desserts, check out that playlist in my description. Thank you so much, the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid, for hosting this awesome collaboration. In my anatomy class, we had to assemble a human skeleton. I hid one of the arm bones as a joke. No one found that humorous.